Stop writing tutorials and start shipping production systems. This hands-on course covers full-stack development with infrastructure management. In 180 days, you will build 3 production systems using one repeatable playbook. Most courses only teach you pieces, leaving gaps. You end up in, quote, tutorial hell with an empty portfolio because your local code breaks in production, and crucial steps like testing, CI/CD, monitoring, and rollback are not taught together. Every month without production skills has a cost. You miss out on senior roles and higher salaries, and interviews are harder without real demos. Conversely, production skills give you operational confidence and a portfolio of 5 deployed systems. The solution is hands-on full-stack development that is production-ready from day one. Our 180-day roadmap connects every layer. You'll complete daily deliverables, build 5 portfolio projects, and adopt an ops mindset from week 1. You'll build 5 real portfolio-ready projects, starting with a user service API and background worker, progressing to a public web app, an incident runbook, and finally, a flagship portfolio system. These systems use Docker, Python, PostgreSQL, and cloud tools. Let's deep dive into the user service API. By day 14, you'll have a live, tested API in the cloud, covering everything from authentication and rate limiting to zero downtime DB migrations and a full CI/CD pipeline. Our learning philosophy is to build first, understand why, and ship daily. You'll develop an ops mindset for every feature and use copy-paste ready templates for production tooling. Every day has a single focused deliverable to maintain momentum. The 180-day curriculum provides a clear path with no guesswork. It moves from Python API basics and testing to data, containers, and observability. By month 6, you will master infrastructure as code and high availability patterns for your final portfolio. This course is built for developers who are ready to move beyond half knowledge. Whether you are an early career engineer, a bootcamp grad, a founder, or a mid-level developer, you can gain real production skills with only 45 to 90 minutes per day. Our students are seeing real results. Anika shipped her first production API in week 2. Zohan landed a job because interviewers loved his incident post-mortem. Kavya gained the confidence to ship infrastructure after graduating from a bootcamp. Everything you need is included: 180 days of lessons, 5 production projects, full source code, and copy-paste templates. You get lifetime access, community support, an interview prep pack, and a 30-day money-back guarantee with 0 risk. Start day 1 today. Your production portfolio starts now. The Hands-On FullStack Development Course is $175, including 5 projects, lifetime access, templates, and the money-back guarantee. Limited spots are available. Enroll now at systemdrd.com. This course provides production-ready skills for modern developers. You can find the course and more information at systemdrd.com. We look forward to seeing you on day 1.